Imagine driving a car. You don't need to understand the intricacies of the engine to drive, right? You just need to know how to use the dashboard. This is a perfect metaphor for the concept of abstraction in object-oriented programming, or OOP for short. Abstraction is about hiding the complex, nitty-gritty details and showing only the essentials, just like the dashboard of your car. The dashboard doesn't overwhelm you with all the complicated inner workings of the car's engine. Instead, it presents you with just the information you need to drive: the speed of the car, the fuel level, engine temperature, and so on. Meanwhile, all the complex mechanisms of the car's engine are tucked away, hidden from the driver's view. This simplifies the driver's experience, making the car easier to operate. That's abstraction for you. It's all about simplicity and ease of use. Now, why should a programmer care about abstraction? Well, there are quite a few reasons. First off, abstraction enhances code maintainability. It allows you to change one part of the code without sending shockwaves through the rest of your program. Imagine trying to replace a gear in a machine without shutting the whole thing down. That's the kind of flexibility abstraction gives you. Next up, we have scalability. Abstraction makes it easier to build upon existing code, kind of like adding an extension to your house. You don't have to tear down the whole structure, just add on to what's already there. But perhaps the most significant benefit of abstraction is that it reduces cognitive load for programmers. It allows you to focus on the big picture, the overall design and function, without getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty details. So, abstraction not only makes your code cleaner and easier to manage, but it also makes your life as a programmer a lot easier. So, to wrap things up, let's revisit the key points about abstraction we've discussed. Abstraction in the realm of object-oriented programming functions a lot like a car dashboard. It presents you with the essentials: the speed, the fuel level, engine temperature, and hides the complex mechanisms churning under the hood. You don't need to know how the engine works to drive the car, right? The same principle applies to abstraction in programming. It's all about hiding the nitty-gritty details and exposing only what's necessary. This approach offers a plethora of benefits. It enhances code maintainability as changes do not ripple through the entire system. It improves scalability, allowing your software to grow and evolve with ease. And let's not forget, it significantly reduces the cognitive load for you, dear programmers, making your tasks less overwhelming. In the fast-paced world of software development, abstraction is a vital tool in your programming arsenal. It simplifies your code, makes it more manageable, and ultimately makes your life as a programmer a whole lot easier.